In this video, I'm going to show you the easiest way to create slides in the year 2026 using Gemini. So you're in Google Slides and you want to create a presentation from scratch. Well, this is the easiest way to do it. So you've already watched the video on how to get Gemini for free, and now that you have it, I'm going to show you the easiest way to create a presentation using Gemini. So the first thing that we're going to do is to just open Gemini in another tab right here. So you're just going to type in gemini.google.com/app on your browser. So if I put this down right here, that is what is in my address bar. So if you type that and press enter, this is what you should be seeing. So when you're on this page, what we're going to do is to start our prompt. And for this example, I just want to create a presentation about the top recipes that most Americans use or do during the holidays or the Christmas holidays. Now, before we get started, we're going to go to the tools right here. If I click on this, these options will appear, and the one we need to be using would be Canvas. So the Canvas would allow us to create multiple slides at the same time and not just one slide at a time. So let's get started with a prompt. So again, I want to create a presentation about the top recipes that are used by Americans during the Christmas holidays. So I'm going to put in here. Okay, so that's my straightforward prompt that I want Gemini to start with. So create a presentation with 10 slides that's all about the top recipes that Americans usually cook or prepare during Christmas. Now we can add as many details after that. There we have it. So again, you can add any other specifications that you want. When you're done, we can just click on submit right here. So right now, Gemini is trying to go over all the instructions that you've just given it. It will create that canvas on the right side. It will open that panel where it will be creating those slides for your presentation. Here we have it. So it has given it the file name of Top American Christmas Recipes, which will be ready in a few minutes. Now, the important thing that you will remember here is it's creating slides that are editable. So we can definitely improve this by changing the fonts or the images. And here we have it. So right now, this is my first slide. Next one, here we go. So we have different colored backgrounds for each slide. This one is a green one. Next one is a red. There we go. It has followed the instructions where we have the cursive for the titles and bold fonts for the other text. And there we have it. Also, our images are masked in circle shape. So it has basically followed all of our instructions, and that is quite good. Now, if there are some changes that you want to make, now is the time to do it. You can go back to the prompt and enter the changes that you want. Again, as I enter the prompt, it will make the changes with the presentation that it's creating. And all we'll have to do is wait. So with those simple prompts that we have created, Gemini is already doing the rest for us. It has created a slide, the background, the font, the images that we can use for that presentation. And here we have it. So it has definitely added those elements right there. Although they're not perfect, that is fine. It's definitely an improvement with the color of the background and also the images. And once you're satisfied, we can directly export this to slides. So this will open as a new slides file in a new tab. So if we click on export slides right here, it's creating our slides at the moment. And the rest is up to us, so we can just easily edit this in Google Slides itself. So the great thing about this is everything is ready. All we have to do is just some little tweaks on maybe removing the background of some images or the numbering or all those other stuff. So right now we can open it in Slides. So just click on this option right here. And here we have it. So again, it did add some of those elements that we can quickly edit with our Nano Banana. Edit our image, remove the background. If we click on remove background right here, here we have it. So we can definitely now just resize that, reposition it even rotate it. There we have it. Same thing as this one, we are just going to remove the background, resize, and reposition. There we have it. So Gemini has basically done 80% of the job for us, and the rest is up to us to edit our presentation. Again, you can do that by adjusting the images on each of these slides, replacing some of the missing images, and so forth. Now, the great thing about this is everything is editable. The text box, some of the elements right here, some of the images, and there you have it. That is the easiest way to create a presentation using Gemini right here in Google Slides. Now, if you're interested in learning more on how to use Gemini here in Google Slides, I'll be leaving a card at the top right corner for you to check out. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.